Hello YouTube. As you can see, it is really cloudy and we all made it through the windstorm and the rain and the flash floods, which we didn't get any. But they said we were going to have flash floods. Thank the good Lord we didn't get any. I can actually show you how much rain we got because I like to, if it's going to rain a lot, I can use water for doing dishes and stuff, but as you can see, it did not rain much, but it might rain. So, yeah, when I first started this, I took my trail name and I made it into a sticker for the hood of my truck. So, it's a little bit windy out today. I don't know if you can hear me, but I wanted to do a little update, tell y'all I made it through the night. It was a little bit windy and the trailer was a rocking, but I made it. Getting bored here. I'm gonna go for a hike today. Go somewhere. And then tomorrow I'm gonna work on the truck. And then I'm gonna find somewhere new. So, vlog over.